Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo, and I'm here today with the ThinkStation E32 small form factor workstation. Today we are going to be replacing the Wi-Fi units. This process will take about 15 minutes, and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required is a Phillips screwdriver, but a non-metallic pry tool might come in handy. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Before removing the computer cover, we must first remove 2 thumb screws. So now we're going to press downward on the release latch, slide the cover towards the rear of the system, and remove it. So now we're going to remove the front bezel. First, we just want to press outward on the 3 clips to release them. Then we're just going to swing the front bezel open like a door and remove it. Now we're going to open the drive bay assembly. To do this, we just need to press the release lever inward, tilt the drive bay assembly up, and allow the lever to lock into place. Now we're going to remove the rear antenna cable. Next, we're going to disconnect the front antenna cable. Now we are going to peel the front antenna up from its adhesive backing, thread the cable through the hole in the chassis, and remove it. Now we're going to lift open the retaining latch, reach into the system and grasp the card, and lift it up and out of the chassis. Next, we're going to disconnect the rear antenna cable from the wireless card, uninstall a single retaining screw, then lift the card out of the socket and remove it. And here we have our replacement Wi-Fi card. So we're going to place the card into the socket, install a single retaining screw, and connect the rear antenna cable to the main terminal. Now we're going to lower the wireless card into the chassis, align the connector with the socket, and then press down until the card is fully seated. Then we're going to close the retaining latch and press down until it locks into place. Now we're going to thread the antenna cable through the hole in the chassis, reaching through on the other side to pull it through. Then when we get to the antenna, we're going to use the adhesive backing to attach it to the front of the chassis. Now we're going to connect the front Wi-Fi antenna cable. Now we're going to install the rear antenna cable. Now we're going to close the drive bay assembly. To do this, we just need to press inward on the release button and tilt the drive bay assembly down until it locks into place. When replacing the front bezel, it is important that the hinges on the bezel align with the holes in the chassis. Once you have those lined up, you can swing the front bezel closed and apply pressure near the clips to lock them into place. When replacing the cover, it's important that the tabs on the cover align with the holes in the chassis. So once you line those up, you just want to slide the cover forward. Now we're going to replace 2 thumb screws.